BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Picard. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Picard base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Northern I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Von Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Picard.
You're a fine-looking group of recruits.
It's like I think it's General Akbar.
Stand clear. 10 doors open.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need to wait. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate 3-point sequence on deck 3 for Picard.
It'll get me in it. I'm filming. Where get it?
Yes, I just want to be sure. Recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
It's like riding on a bus.
Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships launch. I am Lieutenant Beck.
I'm not there.
As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Picard.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump.
Yeah.
They're all over us.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to snake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm going to try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Our rates are first to make this a fair fight. Don't worry. I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Ship is now under the control of the First Order.
Everybody on board will report to the interrogation center immediately.
What?
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they were right. They were right.
All in line.
Daddy, I saw a jaw.
Their heads do move. You.
That one moved.
Yeah.
That's scary.
Yeah. But it's cool though, right?
Wouldn't we smack them all down if we flew in?
I mean, if you crash into them, yeah.
Toolbox replacement equipment to remain with ordinances required notice.
It's a possibility.
Somebody is now suspended.
Like, how did we get here in the first place?
Oh, we're getting
How
on.
did we get to here from that place, from outdoors to this?
Oh, we had to go under the cave.
Yeah. How many?
Oh. Sorry.
I've been on this, right? It's like
Oh, yeah.
you're in a car and you're trying to...
Yeah.
And there's a big AT-AT.
On red.
Red, okay. Yeah, we were here last time. We did the Orlando one.
Because there's the other.
What's red?
Oh, 4
Red, okay.
Yeah.
They should make brighter colors, like neon green or something.
Because those are police.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a sport.
Red. Look, stormtroopers up there.
Red.
Yeah.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
You're in the resistance. We're here to bring you out. Let's go.
Red.
Everyone else, let's go. Orange and gray, blue and red.
Yeah, red.
Orange and gray. Orange and gray. All right, bags at your feet. Seatbelts. Left.
Wait, still here? Paul's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recortos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad bien ajustados. Mantengan las manos a
It's good.
sus pies y piernas dentro del transporte. Revisen
Yeah.
a sus niños.
All right, you're all set. This is our 5. We're gonna get you out of here.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
No one in there.
I know.
They're destroyed.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Oh, they're getting...
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Yeah, it's that guy.
The probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Look at the guys on top.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachments and target time. The escape pods below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
All personnel to their stations.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
Escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scout for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification